Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. Here we do lifestyle kind of video, review, hair, skincare, hauls, you name it, a little bit of everything. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporter. Thank you for coming back supporting me. I love you guys. So today's video, we're going to be try on camera and reviewing the Drunk Elephant Saving Face. This is so pretty. So I have the box here because in the box they actually show the products that come inside this beautiful little case box, whatever face is. This is gonna look so good somewhere in my room here as decoration. I hope they have different colors on these or different faces if they do, because it's such a beautiful little box for collect. So before we get to open this beauty, I'm just gonna show you guys the product coming in. These come with a full size the T.L.C Glycolic Acid Nice Serum, the Framboos, if you're not familiar with. It comes with a mini size of the F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial Mask, and they come with a small one of the Jelly Bean Cleanser number 9 and one of the mini Protini moisturizer, if you're not familiar with. So this is a super pretty little gift box, and in the back here they actually explain you guys about each one of the product that comes in the box. If you're not familiar with Drunk Elephant, they are a very innovative millennial brand that is amazing and have amazing product. And one thing that I love about the brand is all the product they have actually deliver what they promise, and all the product is amazing. I am trying the product for many years now, and every single one of them that I used actually did what they promised to my skin, and you can't beat that. Plus they have beautiful packaging. Yeah, beautiful. I love the packaging, so pretty. So this is the skin is skin philosophy. So very beautiful, nice little gift. And this little box here retails for $98, and you have a value here of $155. Wow, this is amazing. What I like about this set that come with minis is if you're not ready for make a commitment in a big size product, you can go and try one of the minis, and then if you see the results that you like, if you like the product, you can go and make the commitment to try a bigger full size. I love that. And the second part that I love about the minis is travel friendly. If you're gonna go travel for a few days, you know, when I don't have minis to carry, what I do is I get like the little jars and put some of my stuff in if whatever container that I have is too big for carry. And with the minis you don't need that, you just pop them in a little skincare bag and you're good to go. So they are great travel friendly. So let's jump into this box because I'm talking too much, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what comes in this beautiful Save the Face box here. So here is how the box comes. Like I told you guys, you come with a mini of the Waterfacial. And if you don't know what the facial is actually a overnight sleeping mask. You put all your skincare on, and then the last step you put this mask on, and what it does is a deep hydration for your skin. So in the morning when you wake up, your skin is all replenished and look plump and amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorite products from Drunk Elephant, this one and the baby facial. They are fabulous. And this one, if you're not familiar with Drunk Elephant, is the Beste number 9, the Jelly Bean Cleanser. It's just a clear cleanser with no scent, and very good for give you a nice good clean on your skin. And here you have the full size beautiful T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Acid Night Serum. This serum is amazing, I swear by that. This serum, good thing that I got a new one because mine just finished. Now, it's good to refine and retexture the skin, but I experienced that I see brighter also and more vibrant looking skin. It helped me diminish my dark spots. I don't know why. Maybe because I use with the Serum Fresh, that's also have vitamin C, is good for brighter skin. I don't know. And here you have the Protini Polypeptide cream. This cream is amazing. This is a moisturizer. You can use morning and evening. I have 9 signal peptides. Wow, amazing. And this is good for your strength and moisture skin. You know, if you have a skin that's needing some TLC, this is amazing. I have one and I use it all the time. So this is the clear gel consistent, and a little bit goes a long way. So now I'm just going to rinse off my face, and I'll be right back before we go to the next step. Alright, so now that our skin is completely clean, and I do have a couple of little dry spots on my skin and dark spots. I had like a couple of pimples. You know, I never had pimples, thank God. At least one thing, my skin is always good there. And my skin is terrible with pimples, because if I get them after they are gone, I always are left with a spot on them. That's why I always need product for bright my skin, otherwise I would have, you know, the dark spots everywhere. Yeah, but so I have a spot here, I have one somewhere here, or here. Oh, terrible. I hate them. And then when I finally bright them, exfoliate and use Inox and stuff, and then a new one show up. My life. Alright, so let's dig into this beauty box here from Drunk Elephant. And the next product, so I just put a pump here, 2 pumps of the T.L.C. Framboos, and I love this stuff. It's very good to refine and retexturize your skin. So I have 10% of AHA and 1% of BHA, raspberry extract and raspberry extract, which is great. One thing that I told you guys, if you're using these, definitely use sunscreen next day. Alright, so I'm just putting the Framboos on my skin. Product is fantastic, really beautiful, and definitely is one of my favorite products from Drunk Elephant, and this one I've been using for a long time. Now let's go in with our Protini Polypeptide moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer, and it's very light too. Everything that I have left, I just massage into my hands, because the hands need love too. So skin is beautiful and hydrate. Now we're gonna try the next product here. That does look like. This is an amazing product. This is the F-Balm, the Electrolyte Waterfacial Mask Hydrant, and this is amazing. And this mask, and that's the consistency that they have. It is very light. Very light on the skin. I know some like top off mask can be heavy. This F-Balm actually is light and feels really nice on the skin. So my skin is all done and ready to bed, and tomorrow when you wake up, your skin looks so nice, so moisturized. I love this product. It's definitely, this and the Baby Facial is 2 of my Drunk Elephant's favorite of all time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any question about any of the product, all of them I'm very familiar with. I love them. I use for a long time, and I can answer any question you guys have. And I'd like to say thank you so much for Drunk Elephant for sending me this beautiful little kit to try. All the product is amazing, and I just want to tell you guys, this is amazing holiday gift, and this is part of Drunk Elephant's new holiday gift collection. This makes a great gift or a stocking stuffer. If I get this on my stocking, I'm gonna be very happy. I've been good, so Santa better be watching. So yeah, this make a little gift very nice for anyone that loves skincare as much as we do. And besides, you have amazing product in, you have this beautiful little collectible case. Mine is going to be somewhere here in my beauty room display, one of my little shelf there. She's gonna look fabulous there. Yes, so I'd like to say thank you so much for Drunk Elephant. I love you guys. Your product is fabulous. They always deliver what they promise, and that's a big plus for me. I only have good things to say about this brand and nothing more. The product is fabulous. You guys notice my little fall decoration? Yes girl, I am in fall mode here. So I just got this little stuff off Amazon, and I got the little leaves with the lights. If you guys want to know anything about some of the decoration, just let me know in the comments below exactly what are you looking for, because I got all of them from Amazon and I didn't spend much at all. And I decorate here, and actually my vanity also, I have little decoration there. So yeah, we are in fall mode now. Let's enjoy. Fall is my favorite season of the year. That's all for this video. If you guys have any questions, drop in the comments below. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video.